Easy to handle and service, and powerful at the same time. That's the RINCO HG35-EC ultrasonic hand welding gun. It's the perfect choice for spot welding, cutting, riveting, inserting, embedding and flanging thermoplastics. The housing of the HG35-EC is made from reinforced plastic, which means that it is very robust and extremely light in weight. The HG35-EC, including the converter, weighs in at only 600 grams. The horn is custom-made to meet the individual requirements of each customer. A directly mounted cooling system for the converter and the horn ensures that the unit has a long service life. You can also change over the converter yourself in next to no time. The ergonomic handle with its non-slip soft-touch surface adds to the well-balanced shape and makes working with the unit safe and convenient. The status of the device can easily be checked on the back of the unit. Green means ready, orange means the ultrasound is on, red indicates an error on the generator. An integrated LED light illuminates the working area in the best possible way, which means that you can work cleanly and ergonomically. The practical all-in-one connecting cable combines the air cooling, the control system, the HF signal and the earthing. The HG35-EC handheld welding unit is supplied in a handy case that also contains the Ecoline 35 generator and the service tools. The HG35-RS is also available that is compatible with the SDG or RDG generator. RINCO HG35-EC, lightweight, powerful and the perfect ultrasonic hand welding gun for processing thermoplastics.